Hello there, guys. This is Teacher Krishna, and welcome to our first class for the third unit. Time flies, right? So this is a class from BYS School, and welcome all students from BYS. This is going to be our first class for science, and it is going to be like an introduction for week number 22. All right. So, just like I was mentioning, this is just an introduction week. And here you have our end in mind for today. Students will be able to get familiar with the new methodology and tools that will be used during the third unit. So, just like you noticed, we are using different platforms, and right now we are having some major changes in all the tools and all the digital sources that we're using as teachers for the third unit. So today I'm going to give you an introduction on what new platforms we're going to use, and of course, it's just a week for you to start getting familiar with Educativa as well, because that is going to be our main page from now on. All right, so here you have the exercise that you need to complete for today. Number 1, read the unit program carefully and write down questions that you might still have. So you already received a physical version of all of the activities, evaluations, and basically all of the instructions that you need to follow during the third unit. So make sure to check that physical document, and of course, if you have any questions regarding the evaluation activities or anything else, you can just let me know during the meet session. And by the way, that's another major change we are going to have. During the second unit, we were having mostly meetings in Zoom, but now we're going to have them in Meet. All right, so I will be seeing you right there in just a little while. Number 2, watch the following video and make a small summary. So this video is about how to use Google Drive. And this is going to be a platform that you are going to be using indefinitely during this third unit, because I'm going to ask you to upload or to share with me different documents. But unfortunately, in Educativa, there is a maximum of 10 megabytes per document. So what happens if your exam, for example, has a size of 15 megabytes or 20 megabytes? Then you cannot directly upload your document there, right? So what we are going to do is that based on this video, you have to upload your document to Google Drive, and then you just have to share the link with me so I can have access to your document. And of course, I can check it. Let's go with the next activity, which is follow this link and complete the game. So I found a very interesting game for you in this new platform that is named Quizzes. It is a game about the water cycle. It's something that we have been studying, and of course, it's part of the subject of science. So make sure to go over the link and, of course, complete the games that you're going to be finding in there. And this is a platform that is quite similar to Kahoot, but it's something that we are going to be applying on this third unit. So even though it's similar, it's necessary that you go there and get familiar with it as well. When you are done, pick one of the 7 habits and download an image with a phrase that represents it. So and this goes along with the program of Leader in Me. Remember that we have 7 different habits. So only choose your favorite one. For example, being proactive or start with the end in mind, you decide. Then you have to download an image from Google, it's fine, that represents the habit that you just picked up. Okay? And then you have to upload it to Educativa. So what happens if your image is bigger than 10 megabytes and you cannot upload it directly in there? Well, we already talked about it. And with what you learned from the previous video about how to use Google Drive, upload your image to Google Drive and then share the link with me in Educativa. All right? So that'll be pretty much the activities I need to accomplish today, guys. I wish you the best of luck, and if you have any questions, I am available for you. All right, so I will be seeing you during the meet session just in a while. Thank you a lot for coming, And of course, thank you a lot for doing a great effort into keep on learning and of course, achieving some great skills in the science class. So goodbye guys, I will be seeing you around.